Presents. Let's see what it is.
It's not.
I don't know. I don't know.
But now is it?
Okay, you can open it. Okay, okay. Here, I'll help.
Open out.
Oh, what is it? And look at, is that a snowman? Is that a snowman? What is it?
Oh. Something else there. Something else there. Wow.
Look at that. Okay, yeah, they'll open the one with the,
This one.
yeah, with the snowman.
It's not. It's not. Oh, wow.
What is that?
Look.
That's beautiful.
Look.
That's beautiful.
Look.
Yeah, look at that.
Look.
What a beautiful sweater.
Wear that.
You can wear that today. Should we wear that today?
It's not. It's not.
Or you can wear it to your Christmas party.
It's not. It's not. Happy Christmas, everybody.
Happy Christmas, everybody. Wow, look at that, Henry. It's your favorite Santa. It's your favorite Santa.
What's that?